Today we are celebrating the Recognition Day. Nga, yati recognition ng kunatayo. The Recognition Day no di Ilocano panang bigbig. Panang bigbig tayo kadag ito'y members ti PSBRC 2023-01. Kadag iti nalpasanda nga training. Panang bigbig kadag iti sakripisyo nga naisakripisyo da tapno lang agbaling nga pulis. Panang bigbig kadag iti rigat nga nadalanan da ti training. Here in RTC, we are preparing your sons and daughters to become the best police officers that they could be paglabas nila dito ng RTC.
Let us keep into ourselves the true essence of police work. It is not you alone, it's not your family alone, it's not the community that you serve, but the whole of which under the guidance of our kabunyan.
Tungal daw, isot panang big-big tayo, kanya da, kasi kanya may, as their mentors, they have undergone the basic training and they have learned the basic skills and they have reached the character nga amumi nga dapat nga isot ipakita danto na rumor dati training center. I hope that panang bigbig, panang open the collar, panang roll the sleeves da, panang itak out the gibadbado da. That is the symbol kanyami as their mentors, that we have recognized them as one of us, as one police officer na membro to the whole PNP organization. Panang bigbig ni kanya da as one of our little brothers and sisters.
We hope that you will not fail your parents, your relatives, and your loved ones that came on the way here to see you being recognized. And we hope and pray that you will not also fail the community, the Filipino people, the country as a whole, as a member of the Philippine National Police.
Paglabas niyo dito sa mga kampo sa RTC, you show the people what kind of training, what kind of skills that you have, what kind of character that you have learned inside this training center. Just like to welcome each and every one of you. Pili tayo ng biyaon, nagito anak nyo, pakita da, ito skills na suro-suro da dito ko dito training center. Again, good morning and to you, congratulations. Dan ngayon, amen.
This I say again, while you are in practice, in order of God-centered and most disciplined practice, this should be properly adhered to by ethics. I know how you feel that you are now recognized with the presence of your Lord. Again, I hope you will not fail them.